Slam for soul. I know it's hard to understand how a boy grew to a man, turned to a brand.